You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with finding the midpoint between 2 points. The midpoint between the 2 points is -2, -1. Let's solve it step by step. Plot the 2 points and calculate the midpoint using the formula. The coordinates of point 1 are x1 equals 1, y1 equals 5. The coordinates of point 2 are x2 equals -5, y2 equals -7. PM represents the midpoint of the 2 points. Use the x values in the midpoint formula to find the midpoints x. x1 equals 1. x2 equals -5. Simplify the arithmetic. Use the y values in the midpoint formula to find the midpoints y. y1 equals 5. y2 equals -7. Simplify the arithmetic. And so, the midpoint is -2, -1.